Yes, ready.
Get a good still photo of this. Here we go.
Okay.
This is what happens when you neutralize wood. Why it's important to neutralize wood before you stain. Otherwise, you'd never see the stain.
Yeah.
Here you go. See, you got dark wood here. It's got caustic in it, or basically the wood cleaner.
Yeah.
We come through and brighten. And
This is real time. And this is in real time. Is that correct?
Well, yeah, I don't think we have fake time.
Oh, no.
Just kidding.
He knows what I mean.
Take a look. Are you watching it?
Yes. What? And there you have it. Cool.
Hold on.
I was
It's probably going to be hard to see because of the...
No, the lighting's good here.
Good?
Oh, well.
You can really see it here. Watch this.
It's nighttime when we're doing this. So.
We've cut this. We're using. I would normally use citric acid, but couldn't get a hold of any, so I using muriatic, and I'm cutting 1 part muriatic, 4 parts water.
Yeah.
I could probably have gone a little heavier too with it if I wanted to. You see the color of the wood now?
Yeah.
Look, watch this.
Dang.
This is the example should have it show this.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It'd be hard to see that. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, there you go. I use my needle.
Wait for it, wait for it. Somewhat, because there's still a lot of caustic in there, but it's coming out. Point is, by morning it'll be nice and bright and visible. There we go, look at that, watch that, look at that.
Wow.
Look at the difference between this and that.
Wow.
Okay, you can instantly see it brighten.
Yeah.
Hope you can see that machine. Right,
Yeah. Scrubbing by day, staining by night. Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow, that was a
Yeah.
chemical reaction in action. Yeah. That's so pretty.
Look at that wood now.
Wow. Wow.